Today I'm going to be reviewing Techmark's QR code dog and cat pet tag. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. This is such a good idea. It goes right on their collar. You can see you just slip the collar through here. They've got a medium one for 3/4 inch collars and a 1-inch one for larger collars. If your dog is found, the person who finds them can scan this QR code and it's going to have all the information that they need to contact you without putting all your information out there on the tag. In order to get this set up, all you have to do is you scan the QR code yourself, you set up an account, you put all the information in there, and that's it. One of the best things about this is that it's not only made in the USA, it's engraved in the USA. Also, this is not made with cheap steel or anything like that. It can get wet, it's not going to rust, it's not sharp, it doesn't have sharp edges, it doesn't jingle, which is very annoying for dogs and sometimes the owners. Finally, this gets 4.8 stars, and over 50 plus of these were sold last month. Again, remember this comes in different sizes, so check out and make sure that you get the right one for your dog. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.